how to use ChatGPT on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you use ChatGPT on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the ChatGPT by using your browser, or you can also open the ChatGPT application. So for that you'll have to just install that application from the App Store. So after you install the application, you'll have to just open the ChatGPT. Alright, so after you open the ChatGPT, you'll got such interface. So from here you'll have to just sign up with your Google ID or Apple ID. So for that you'll have to just tap on the sign up option just at the top right corner. Alright, so from this interface you can continue with your Apple ID, or you can also continue with your Google ID. So right now I'm tapping on the continue with my Google ID. Alright, tap on allow and continue. Okay, so from here you have to choose your Google ID. Alright, so after you use your Google ID to log in here, you'll be able to see this interface like you can use the ChatGPT on your iPhone. So from here you can ask anything to GPT, or you can also give a task to ChatGPT like create a cartoon, make up a story, and from here you can also generate the image, your storyline, or you can do many research from here. So this app might be helpful to you. So on the other hand, you can also upload the screenshot or file for the giving tracks to the ChatGPT. So for that you'll have to just tap on the plus icon just at the bottom left corner. Okay, so from here you can upload your photos, or you can also capture the photos by using camera, and also you can upload the files from the file section. And although on this interface you can also do a voice chat with ChatGPT. So for that you'll have to just tap on this voice icon. So simply you have to tap on that option. Alright, so simply from here you'll have to choose your voice for the ChatGPT. So after you choose the voice for the ChatGPT, you'll be able to easily chat with the ChatGPT with your voice. So in this way you can use the ChatGPT for your many purposes. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.